Professor Were, all the best. Now, away from that, to The Hague, where it emerged that statements by some ICC witnesses were not credible. The sixth prosecution witness told the court some witnesses made up stories and coached others on what to tell investigators. The witness, who was the investigation team leader in the Kenyan Crimes Against Humanity case, told the court that the witnesses fabricated stories, confident that investigators were not on the ground to confirm the allegations. Now, witness P0-730 narrated how investigators got witnesses from the claims of one person to another. The sixth witness concluded his testimony as the court prepared to hear from the seventh witness, who was set to testify via video link. ICC Judge Maria Samba ruled that the seventh witness will take the stand on the 17th of this month. Now, Paul Gicheru is facing 8 counts of corruptly influencing witnesses in the William Ruto and Joshua Sang case following the 2008 post-election violence. Right, we'll continue giving you more updates as to what will be happening at the Hague-based court, that is the International Criminal Court, where the case against Paul Gicheru will be ongoing. My name is Brenda Zedaradido. Thank you for watching KTN Newsline tonight, and thanks to our sign language interpreter, Marisha Witty, to the editor, Daniel Korir, and the men